Welcome to Understanding Your Inner Lookout, a video designed to help you make sense of your anxieties and worries. This content is for anyone who has ever felt overwhelmed by their thoughts and wants a simple, relatable way to understand their mind. We all experience worry, but sometimes it feels like our brain is constantly in overdrive. This video will introduce you to a concept that helps explain why, and more importantly, how to find a bit more calm. Ever feel like your brain just runs away with worry? Like a tiny alarm bell is constantly ringing inside your head, even when there's no obvious danger? If you feel this way, you're not broken. It's just your inner lookout working overtime. Think of it as a part of your brain that's always scanning for potential threats. To understand this, let's explore a little bit of simple brain science. It's not complicated, just fascinating. Inside, we all have an ancient alarm system. Its only job is to keep us safe, to warn us of danger. When it senses danger, ring. That rush you feel, that racing heart, those worried thoughts, that's anxiety. But here's where the misunderstanding happens. Our inner lookout, while well-intentioned, can sometimes get a little confused. It rings for traffic jams, overflowing inboxes, even social events, things that aren't truly life-threatening. It's just trying to help, to keep you safe, but it's a little extra. It doesn't always distinguish between a tiger and a tight deadline. So how do we talk to our inner lookout? How do we help it understand that we're safe and it can calm down? We can give it a new, calming job, something simple and repetitive that signals all clear to that ancient alarm system. Let's teach it to count our breaths. As you breathe slowly and deliberately, focusing on each inhale and exhale, the alarm gets quieter. It learns that right now, in this moment, you are safe. There's no immediate danger, and it can take a break. Understanding our feelings, truly listening to what our inner world is trying to tell us, is the first step to mending and finding more peace. This simple technique helps you communicate with your inner lookout, reassuring it and bringing down the volume of the alarm. Subscribe for more simple guides to your inner world. We're also building a community gratitude jar where we'll share positive thoughts from our viewers. What feelings should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Your input helps fill our gratitude jar with positivity.